Cool. So on the road, you'll typically see brown signs, which are for recreation information, blue signs, service information, green signs, destination information. And so brown, you're gonna have like national parks, boat launches, campgrounds, things like that. Blue signs, have you all ever traveled out of state, like on the road? Usually you'll see those rest area signs. Camp signs, gas information. H was, geez, lost my train of thought, but I think it's, oh, hospitals. Hospital, that's correct. So yeah, hospitals, campgrounds, gas, or information. So watch for the blue signs. And then green signs, usually it's your destination. And how many miles ahead is it? So it'll tell you 65 miles ahead, or 43 miles ahead this way, or 21 miles that way. And then if you pay attention to these little signs on the side of the highway, it'll usually tell at which mile mark you're at. So, okay. Anyone know the 3 Ds of the green highway signs?
Do you have a question?
Oh.
Oh, I got bingo.
Oh.
Oh, you got bingo. Okay, yeah. If you get bingo, don't be shy.
I got one as well.
Yes.
There's supposed to be a couple winners here, so. All right, who got it?
Thank you.
Yep. All right. Anyone know the 3 Ds? Well, what does this say? And what's that? What is that identifying? The direction? Well, I'm sorry, the destination. That's one of them. What does this say?
Direction.
Yep, so that's the direction. And what does this say?
Distance.
Distance, right. So those are the 3 Ds. So destination, direction, and distance. So once you start driving on the highway, you're gonna really want to start paying attention to that. Because if you're trying to exit 94 East to Madison, you know that's a quarter of a mile away. It's pretty close. So you want to be in the lane that's going to be exiting coming up. And then, yep, and so we can see a little closer right there, so. And these signs, I'm sure you've all seen it on the highways as well. Interstates, they go through the United States, usually through Minnesota. And then our state highways, like 36, just inside the state. And then, you know, county roads in the counties. So, yeah, if you ever run into these, you know, that's what they represent. And then it'll tell you when they're ending or you're going north or south. Okay, if you ever see this, has anyone ever seen this anywhere? If you did, anything that could be close to that is maybe like a campground or something. And then, how about that? What does that mean? So it looks like you're coming to a T.
Both are one way.
Yep, both are one way, so, yep, they would be going into each other. What does this one mean? Does that even make sense? So, this is probably like maybe going around a mountain where like you can't really see the oncoming traffic. It's a big curve, so it's curving, but it wants you to stay right. Right, because the oncoming traffic is, you know, coming around the corner, so just kind of give each other space. And this one, I don't know if you can really see it, but it says falling rocks. So, yeah, definitely watch out. It's even knocked down the sign. So yeah, if you see this, don't pick up any hitchhikers. All right? Probably near a correctional facility, or it is. And this, so, oh, yeah, this one, I believe, must be a joke.